All organisms need energy from food. Animals get the food that they need by eating plants or other animals. Plants and animals are also a food source for people. However, plants are different. They do not rely on animals for food. They make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is a compound word made up of the term photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means put together. Plants therefore use the energy in sunlight to make their own food. In order to carry out the process of photosynthesis, plants need more than just sunlight. They also need carbon dioxide and water. Plants take in the water that they need from soil. The roots contain specialized vessels called xylem. Water moves through the xylem through the stem to the leaves. It is in the leaves that most of the photosynthesis takes place. Remember that in order to photosynthesize, plants also need carbon dioxide from the air. They take in carbon dioxide through special openings called stomata, found mostly on the underside of the leaves. Within many leaf cells are specialized structures called chloroplasts. Inside the chloroplast is a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun. The light energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into a type of sugar called glucose. The glucose, along with minerals taken from the soil, are used by the plants for growth and survival. The process of photosynthesis also produces oxygen. Most of the oxygen is released back into the air through the stomata. Why is photosynthesis important? Photosynthesis is important in the following ways. 1. It helps in regulation of carbon dioxide and oxygen gases in the atmosphere. High levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can contribute to global warming. 2. It enables plants to make their own food, thus meeting their own nutritional needs. 3. It converts sunlight energy into a form of chemical energy that can be utilized by other organisms that are unable to manufacture their own food. 4. The oxygen that we breathe in is a byproduct of photosynthesis. Without oxygen, all living organisms would die.